Welcome to our 4K IPTV tutorial today. Head over to 2tv.store for the best IPTV. Explore a wide selection of channels available. You can enjoy top-tier quality and reliability. Now let's start the installation process together. Select a package that suits your needs. Once chosen, proceed to checkout seamlessly. After purchase, download the IPTV app needed. Next, open the app and log in. Now it's time to configure your settings. If you encounter issues, do not worry. Reach out for assistance from Nancy last. Nancy will guide you during installation support. She is available to answer all your questions. After installation, enjoy the seamless experience. Explore a diverse selection of content available. Immerse yourself in 4K streaming like never before. Share the experience with family and friends. Explore sports, shows, movies, and more. Never miss your favorite shows again. Don't forget to comment your experience below. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more IPTV content updates. Thank you for watching this tutorial.